in continuation of problems from binomial theorem, from the assignment. Okay, from the assignment here, find the coefficient of y in y means y power 1 in y square plus c by y power 5. What is our formula? Coefficient of x power s in a into x power p b by x power q. I told you compulsory second term must be denominator only, otherwise they will not give. If they are not given, you have to arrange the denominator. This is numerator. P value 2, q value 1, n value 5, s value 1. What is here our formula? Np minus s by. With that, for this problem, n into p 10 minus 1 9 by 2 plus 1 3. Hence, T4 is the coefficient of y. That is first answer. If they ask the only term number 4, third, second, like that. Tr plus 1. Now write is that T4 if you write term, because in ABCD you have values. So you have to simplify. Not only term number. T4 is 5c3 y square whole power 5 minus 3 c by y whole power 3. 5c3 is 10, y power 4, c cube, ten c cube into y. We want y coefficient only. Definitely you have to get y in the answer. Y must be present. Otherwise, formula, solution, everything will be wrong. If you get y square, for what reason? It is wrong only. They want y. Our result is suitable to this term only. You have to end with y only. With that, what is coefficient of y now? Answer 10c cube. 20c, 10c, 10c cube, 20c square. Therefore, third option. Okay, like that. 11th already we have done earlier, reverse problem, finding the k value. 12th you see now, here is in the expansion of 3 plus ax whole power 9. Coefficient of x square is the same as coefficient of x cube. This problem was over. We got this answer. 13th also I gave result. When 3 terms are in AP, n square minus 3 terms are in AP, r plus 1, r plus 2 coefficients are in arithmetic progression. What is formula? Directly, without any solution. N square minus n into 4r plus 1 plus of 4r square minus 2. Very, very important and powerful formula in the synopsis. Write down this. Last time we wrote anyway. This is useful. For any problem, if they ask 5, 6, 7 are in AP, substitute r value 5. Or 10, 11, 12, substitute direct. You can find n value. That also we did. Then 8 term, 9 term. 17th right now. Because in between both are same model exactly, so you practice that. One concept is same but terms are different, so I select here 17th. Find the coefficient of x power minus 15 negative. In the problem 3x square 1 by 3x cube. It is noticed that here first one numerator, second denominator. Compulsory. Okay. P value, Q value, N value, S value. Okay. S, P, Q, N, What is R formula? NP 20 minus S plus 15 35 P plus Q 5 cancel 7 8th term is the answer. You have to develop this way of calculations. Don't think I am doing something you don't know anything. The way how you have to improve, calculate orally. If it is essential, write down on the paper. That development is important. Going so on, you will improve, not suddenly one day magic. How I am calculating must be ready for that. 20 plus 15, 35 by 5, 7, 7 means R plus 1. 8th term is the answer. Must be ready for that. As such, I am writing formula substitution every time I am showing, but you have to improve like that. Therefore, T8 is the answer. 10C7. Whole power 7. If you simplify it, goes definitely x power minus 15 only. 10C3. 3 cube. Minus 1 by 3 power 7. Here 6, here 21. What is denominator now? Minus 15. So what is the answer finally? 3 cube also cancel. Minus power add, so I wrote minus. Minus 10C3 into 1 by 3 power 4. ABCD first notice. 17. Simplify. You cannot leave combinations. Simplify. Minus 10, 9, 8, 1, 2, 3 and therefore 3 power 4. 3 cancel. 2 cancel. Here cancel. Power. Minus 40 by 27. Problem number 17. Second option. First option positive. Minus important. Second answer. Why I wrote this one? What is the result? In permutations we have a formula. NCR is the same as NC. This is smaller. So instead of going 10C7, 10 factorial, 7 factorial, 10 minus 3 factorial, calculations are more. You go for best option. Which is small, that you have to write. Which is small. First only if I give you 10C3, since I know the result I want 27, waste. Out of both, which is the smallest, select. That is the reason I wrote 10C3. Easy to finish calculation. So, this chapter depends on combinations I told us in the beginning. Some formula we need from combinations. So, that is why. Then, second, 18th is negative power, same. You get the answer. 19th problem, leave it. Terms are missing. Problem is different, options are missing. That is not a problem. 20, okay. CET easiest problem. Find the coefficient of x power 9. This also over last class. Yes, I gave it. How we can finish? This is a plus b whole cube and whole power 6. So 1 plus 3x whole power 18. Then write down 19th term. 18c. They want x power 9. They want x power 9 means you start with T10. 18c9. 1 anyway. 3x power 18 minus 9. So what is x power 9 coefficient? 18c9, 3 power 9. 18c9 is big number only. They will not calculate. They are leaving as such. Okay? That is one answer. Irrational powers, one problem we do for this concept. Find the coefficient of x cubed in square root of 3 by square root of whole power 6. Same. Only here PET calculation is important. Okay. Answer. ABCD is writing values, simplified values. Right. Substitute here. R equal to. What is P value? 5 by 2. 1 by 3. Okay. N 6 into 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 by 2. 3 by 2. It is root x cube. Okay? 3 by 2. Now 15 minus 3. 12 by 8 by 2. 12 by 4. 3. Integer. By chance, if you get here decimal or else fraction. Suppose if you are ending with 12 by 5. Okay. What is answer? Don't calculate 4.2, 2 point something, therefore answer. R must be integer. Otherwise, no solution. No solution means does not exist. If you end with R is a fraction, such term does not exist in the problem. There is no x cube term in the expansion. That is meaning. Coefficient of x cube is 0. Answer must be either 0, does not exist. Okay? If you end with fraction. Compulsory you got integer. Hence what is the answer now? T4 is the term definitely gives you coefficient of x cube. So right now 6c3 x power 5 by 2 whole power 6 minus 3. 3 by x power 3 by 2 whole power 3. Okay. Now how we can finish it? 63, 6 by 4, 1, 2, 3 is 20. Okay. X power 15 by 2 by 9 by 2. 15 minus 9, 6. 6 by 2, 3. That is the x cube. This is not problem. Here 3 cube. 27. What is the answer? 540. Okay. Fourth option. That is our final answer. So all that is because it must be perfect and ready for simple calculations. Okay. I told you earlier also how to multiply double digit, how to add the squares, all that you must be ready. So now we will do one problem for constant term also. Term independent of x means constant term in 2 root x minus 3 by x power 1 by 3 cube root x. This is whole power 20. Now you see, formula is same, but when it is for constant term, what is s here? This will be 0. This is not there. R is nt by p plus q. With that 20 multiplied p value 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. 10 by 5 by 2 means 4. T5 is equal to, they want term value on no simplification. Combination expressions only we have to leave because big numbers are given. When higher numbers are there, nobody will ask calculations. Small numbers are there, we are writing. 6C3 we are writing. But 20C14, 20C18, nobody will ask you. Okay. So, what is T5? 20C4. 2 root x. 20 minus 4 minus 3 by x power whole power 4. Okay. Five by 2, 24, 20c4. Is it cannot do?
So that's 5 by 6.
2 root x. Here, 5 by 6. 5 by 6. Okay, because LCM 6. 5 by 6, 12. Once it is 12, now write down T13 is equal to 20C12 2 root x whole power 20 minus 12 minus 3 by x power 1 by 3 power 12. Now it is correct. Here it is 4, here it is 4, cancel, constant it must be. 20C12. Okay. Answer can be anyone. NC n minus r. 2 power 8. All constants you have to collect. 3 power 12. Minus is there. Even power positive. 8 by 2 4. 12 by 3 4 cancel. That is why it becomes independent of x. This is not correct. That is why we immediately notice it is wrong. Go back to where is a small calculation and again you have to come back. Okay? Now you see. Answer is finished. One answer I wrote. What is first one I got? 20C12. This is correct. This is correct. According to ABCD. Now you see. First option 20C8. 2 power 8. First only correct. Over. He is not writing this answer. That is why I told you, as much as possible, smallest calculation is preferred. In these two, which is the smallest number? This is small. That is why whenever we come to calculate NCR, go for NC n minus r when this is a small number. If this is very small, we leave it. Okay. So, answer is finished. Like that. No? Very good. 24 is important. Reverse problem again. One more. We do one more model for getting unknown constants. Information is given. Means answer is given. What they are telling is fourth term is 5 by 2. Very good problem. Fourth term in expansion of px plus 1 by x whole power n is 5 by 2. What are the values of n comma p? That is our problem. N comma p. Power also not given. Very good. I will show you easy method, means in the sense direct method only. First method only I will do for you. Easy to understand. Consider general term. What is general term formula? NCR x power n minus r a power r. In x plus a power n. Here NCR px whole power n minus r 1 by x power r. Then NCR p power n minus r x power n minus 2 r. Okay. Here he is asking fourth term. Okay. So far we wrote general term. It must be 4. Then what must be r? 3. Take r is 3 here. NC3 p power n minus 3 x power n minus 6. This is our problem. But what is this answer given to you? 5 by 2. This term is equal to 5 by 2. What is observation? Only constant. There is no x. It means it must be constant. When we say a term is a constant term, power of x must be 0. Okay. Constant term means what? Term independent of x. Since it is a constant term here, power of x must be 0. Then what is n value? First answer over. 6. Once it is power 0 and it becomes constant, this remaining entire other things must be equal to 5 by 2 only. Okay. Once you know n value 6, substitute here. So 6c3 p cube is 5 by 2, hence that gives p value. And what is the 6c3 value? 6 by 4, 1, 2, 3, 20. 20 p cube 5 by 2. P cube is equal to 1 by 8. 5 cancel 4 times. 1 by 8 means 1 by 2 cube. Hence our answer is, therefore order is here n comma p 6. That is about unknown numbers, how to calculate. It is all by observation. As they give answer is 5 by 2, it indicates term independent of x. As per CET I am telling you, best slowly, easily solve it. I will give you, that is why steps also more. As per mains, and if you are very strong in CET, all this I will not do, because already they gave you constant term. For constant term, what is our formula? R np by p plus q. Immediate answer only. We have to get answer. Okay. Simple line. Comparison I am showing difference between CET little bit above. Since I gave you result for a into x power p, b by x power q whole power n, constant term is np by. Okay. Compare with this. He is giving you information. Fourth term is constant. He is only giving you. Then what is R value he is giving? 3. N into 1. N. 1 plus 1. Over. N equal to 6. Okay? That is about it. That is why first only I told you. Slowly I will give you full CET method. What is general term, substitute R value. Directly then start T4 only. This I am writing, this I am writing. So you can improve. If you are able to understand the improvement is there, you directly start with T4 only. Okay? Still you are very strong. Yes, I am actually practicing for mains so that I can understand means attack directly. Direct attack, formula, answer next. N value 6. That is what. Okay. Too much over. More discussion, not necessary time wasting. This is 24. 25 constant term only. Answer tell me without doing anything. Constant term they want. What is R value here? np by p plus q. 18 by 3. 6. T7th. T6 write down. T7th write down answer only. Next. Fifth term is independent of x. He is giving fifth term is independent. Fifth term means what is R value? 4 is equal to np by p plus q. This I am doing for 26. Then here n we are finding. P is given half by half plus 1, 3 by 2. N by 2 by 3 by 2 is how much? N by 3. Cross multiply 3 into 4. Answer over. He is asking n value 12. This is what? Purely your presence and then formula strikes, calculation will be speed. So he is asking only n. This is 26. 27 independent term. In 27, when you read the problem, you have to end with the information only. Means what is R value immediately tell me. 15 by 15 into 3, 45 by, okay, term independent of x, 2x square, 3 by x cube, 30 by 5, 6, 70 is the answer. Finish. Write 37. You will get answer on there. Very good. This is over. Now next, middle term already we know. Middle term means short term means middle term. So already we have got. So we take 29. Good problem. This is CET as well as in mains, in NDA, in NATA exam. Everywhere it is useful. And all present first year to second year students, I am telling you, remember one point. Now only I am telling you. Okay. You must be in your mind so that you have got holidays. Not because of exams and therefore you are getting holidays. Okay. Because of leisure time, you have to decide yourself what kind of exams you have to focus. Whether you are writing this exam, not writing this exam. You should have one decision. Okay. Discuss with parents or discuss with your any concerned faculty or any person. What you do is you should start with mind for this target. Board exams I am not worried. Okay. Next second year board exam I am not asking you. CET. Mains 1. Between CET and mains 1. Before CET only. Even before board exam only. All best fellows should write NDA exam. Okay. Boys. This one, mains 1, mains 2. If necessary by mistake you are selected advanced. Okay. Then NEET. Then NATA, then in this connection what you do is, it is not difficult for you when you come to college, we are showing things, you are writing exam, you will score 100%, that is different. You focus, boys should focus on NDA, girls should focus on NATA, both of them related to CET only. CET only, no difficult. Little bit CET extra you go, if you fill up this gap, extra, sometime I am telling you it is not in CET, just go one extra, that is called mains. Okay. Engineering. No sir, I am not doing engineering, I am very perfect, I want to be doctor only. NEET I am going, hence I want NEET. Okay. NEET students should write CET exam attending maths CET. Don't feel that you are so intelligent and you are so doctor enough, you will not waste time. In maths I don't want, I am wasting time for mathematics, means your downfall starts. Seriously I am telling you, statement, don't ignore any subject. I am preparing NEET and I don't want maths CET. No. You cannot take your own decision unless you are very perfect. Even present doctors want mathematics. How you say before only that you don't want maths? Previous records if you verify for 10 to 20 years, whoever got medical ranks, because they are strong in mathematics. If your mathematical abilities are good, you get NEET rank. Remember, I have seen many times, I am going to change my section, I don't want to attend maths class, or maths sheet I don't want. That is not criteria. Okay? You attend maths CET. Indirectly you are improving NEET exam. Since this will help in physics, so many numerical problems. Mental logical things will be more. Speed calculations. Approach will be more. That will support indirectly chemistry and biology. Therefore, attend CET maths, not for scoring maths rank, maths marks in CET if you are very serious for NEET. But it will help. So better you plan yourself in all these leisure holidays, you improve your maths CET questions, get more ideas. All NEET students, whoever is very serious for this, should do maths CET. Over. Not anyway, everybody can. This box now don't ask me. Once you are coming here during second year, what is this I will explain. How you write, when you write, what is this exam? It is indirectly mains exam. Even though you are not getting mains perfect rank, engineering, here you get engineering perfect rank, indirectly mains. Reason, all over India, mains 10 lakh people are writing. You are 1 in 10 lakhs. NEET main 8 lakhs are writing. You are 1 in that. Majority don't know this. Very few are writing. 2 lakhs, 1.5 lakh. If you are in 1 in 2 lakhs, best chance is there. Indirectly you get rank here. You are eligible to one branch in very best engineering college. What is this box? What is the criteria? It is our syllabus only, no extra. This I am speaking about when you come to second year classes. I will tell you. Nobody knows this exam. Majority people don't know. Very few people only writing. Here you must be there. That is my intention. Remember, once you come back, I will give you this process. Meantime, you focus on this list. Don't ignore any subject. I am writing mains only. I don't want biology. No. Biology, PUC, compulsory you need marks. So, improve yourself.